They have campers to go camping, hunting, kayaks over there. They have a lot of stuff to check it out. So come on down and check it out.
Go get it. Get try liquors.
Want to try a little sample? Okay, we got red. I don't know if you like black, blue, cinnamon, blue raspberry.
How much is it? $6.
You don't like it? You don't like liquors?
I like
Would you like a measuring tape for your tackle box? Measuring tape for your tackle box?
Conservation community. It shows
Okay, tells you how to measure your fish.
it shows how to measure
Let me show you
fish
how.
and fish stuff and how catch
Measure any
fish
fish. Freshwater?
or bears.
Saltwater, okay. So let's catch a largemouth bass, catfish, or maybe guac.
From the north. Yeah.
What is that?
It's a box where you saw some.
No. That's a bobcat. Yup.
A sea turtle.
Yup.
A bear.
Pretty roomy, huh?
Oh, this one's much more roomy. Now we're going towards cars, the fancy cars over there. We just passed all these campers. Now, let's go. So, here's the cars, and they're pretty cool cars. Like, Banjoe.